Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this question which is from Vietnam Math Olympiad. 40 years back this question was taken from 1981 Vietnam Mathematical Olympiad, and this is a beautiful, easy, relatively easy but quite tricky trigonometric equation where we have to compute the value of this expression without using calculator. So if you want to give it a try, pause the video, otherwise keep watching. So before going to use any formula, let me tell you something about this expression, that here we are going to use so many formula of basic trigonometry high school level, that some formulas we are going to use like 90 degree minus theta, like sine 90 degree minus theta and cos 90 degree minus theta something, or like double angle sine 2 theta cos 2 theta formulas, and something like sine a plus sine b and cos a plus cos b, something like this. So I hope you know these formulas, and which we are going to frequently we are going to use in between our method in the middle. So let's start. So let's try to we can easily know the value of cos 45. So I am not going to consider this fraction. Let's simplify this and then we'll subtract at the end. Okay, so first I'll consider this three term of this expression, and let's try to simplify each expression or each term. So first I can write 1 by cos square 10 as 1 by sin square 80 using 90 minus theta formula, and same as 1 by sin square 20 I can write as 4 cos square 20 by sin square 40 using sin 2 theta formula. And then in numerator again let's use our cos 2 theta formula, and finally we'll get something like 2 into 1 plus cos 40 into 4 cos square 40 by sin square 80. Alright, and then last term, which is 1 by sin square 40, and you can simplify as 4 cos square 40 by sin square 80. Again here I multiplied 4 to both numerator and denominator, and then again cos square 40 to both numerator and denominator, and therefore we have this expression. So adding these three gives us our original expression. So let's add these three expression, and then we have, adding these three expression we'll have this, and then so denominator is cos square 10. We'll see later. Let's try to simplify numerator in terms of cos square 10. Let's see if we can cancel some term, and we have to simplify it carefully. So now let's try to simplify this expression, and then we will have 3 2 cos 40, and let's use cos square 2 theta formula, and then we'll have this 2 1 plus cos 80, right? And then let's again simplify. So basically here we have used like 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 formula, and then we have this here. So now 6 plus 6 cos 40 plus 6 cos 80. Then again using formula, and then finally and this is going to be 12 cos square 10. Okay, so finally let's simplify our formula. So this is 12 cos square 10. We have to add here. So 12 cos square 10 by cos square 10 gives us 12. It means the value of this form is 12 minus, and 1 by cos square 45 is 2, which gives us 10. So the value of this whole expression is nothing but 10. Thank you for watching. See you next time.